Right now, your brain is lying to you. You think you are seeing the world in real time, but your conscious mind is actually trapped in a 15-second delay loop. What you call now is nothing more than a recycled memory. Every second, your eyes make chaotic, jerky movements and constant blinks. If your brain showed you this raw feed, reality would look like a jittery, hallucinated mess. To save your sanity, your brain uses a continuity field. It takes a rolling average of the last 15 seconds of visual history and projects it as the present moment. You are literally living in the past. It is why you are blind to sudden changes around you, like a movie actor being swapped with a stunt double. But while humans lag behind to survive, other creatures survive by leaving their entire bodies behind. Deep underwater, a tiny sea slug can intentionally decapitate itself along a pre-formed groove in its neck. To escape internal parasites, the slug discards 80% of its mass, leaving its heart, stomach, and kidneys behind. That discarded body does not die. It twitches, crawls, and its heart beats on its own for months. Meanwhile, the severed head crawls away, heals in a single day, and regrows a brand new heart and body in just 3 weeks. It powers this impossible feat by stealing chloroplasts from the algae it eats, turning its own head into a solar panel to photosynthesize like a plant. But while that slug behaves like a plant, a common backyard bird functions like a quantum computer. Every winter, the European robin navigates by literally seeing the Earth's magnetic field. Inside its eye, blue light strikes a protein called cryptochrome 4, creating an entangled radical pair. In a lab, physicists struggle to keep quantum entanglement stable for nanoseconds. In the bird's warm eye, nature preserves it for 100 microseconds. This allows the bird to see magnetic field lines as a glowing visual overlay.